On today's episode of YYE, we've got a tip for you about electronics that could save you heartbreak, frustration, and maybe even some money. And it's brought to you by Brad Copeland, owner of iTechnique. Do you have any tips or tricks that you could share with people who are watching that could save them time, stress, money, or all three?
Now, the biggest thing is going to be to always be backed up. I mean, to your point earlier about data recovery, someone who's properly backed up never really needs to worry about data recovery. It's a lot less expensive and a lot less of a hassle to spend $299 or $399 a month on iCloud storage and make sure that all your photos are backed up, as opposed to needing to bring a phone in and maybe spending $800 or $900 to try to recover them.
So pony up the $30 to $50 per year and just not have to worry about that data recovery in case.
I joke with people all the time, most people can fit on the 50 gig iCloud plan. It's less than 20 bucks a year, and you're going to spend 20 bucks on a lot sillier stuff over the course of the year than making sure that all your text messages and pictures are backed up.
That's a good point, good point.